Good morning, class. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to my class, friends. We are learning grammar, chapter number 11, and the topic is comparisons of adjective. Comparisons of adjective. We have completed the definitions and along with the explanations. And today we will try, let's complete the exercises of this chapter. Let us complete the exercises of this chapter. Students, let us see the exercises. Okay. Now let me write down the questions of the first exercise number A. It's written that write the comparative and superlative degree of the following adjective. What is the instruction given here? It's given here that number A, write the comparative, write the comparative and superlative degree of the following. Yes, this is the instruction that what we are going to do in the exercise. Exercise में हम क्या करने वाले हैं वो यहाँ पे निर्देश दिया हुआ है कि हमें करना क्या है. What we are going to do. This is the instruction given here. It's written here. Write the comparative and superlative degree of the positive degree. So let me write down here. Students, here I am writing positive. We will write here positive. We are going to write here comparative, and the third one, it will be the superlative degree. Superlative degree. Students, so let me write down the questions. Look at the questions. What are the questions given? It's given here: high, loud, large, thin, heavy, quiet, nice. Okay, some more questions are there, but till then let us see here. Look here. Let us write the comparative and superlative degree of this following words. यहाँ पे जो words दिए हुए इनका comparative and superlative degree लिखना है हमें. First, so we have learned the formula. We have learned how to convert a positive degree to superlative degree. Now look here, students. The rule in rule number one. In rule number one, we have learned by adding er and est. By adding er, हम क्या कर रहे थे रूल नंबर वन में? er और यहाँ पे est ऐड करके इसको सुपरलेटिव बनाते थे और कंपैरेटिव. नाउ लेट अस सी. हाई, it will be higher. High, higher. Change it to superlative, highest. Now look at the next question. Loud, louder, loudest. Now look here, large. Now what we are doing, what we have to do, one more form, or one more thing. In rule number one, I have written in rule number one, either we are going to add er or r. हमें er या r add करना है. यहाँ पे हमने क्या दिया था आपको? st, est or st. So now the second one, in the first rule there are two things. To form a positive degree to comparative degree, we add er or r to the positive degree to form comparative degree, and est और st to form a superlative degree. So here पहले से e लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो हम ये second वाला यूज करेंगे. Now large, larger, st, largest. Clear, everybody? Clear? Show me your thumb, students. Okay, fine. Good. Now let us see the next one. Thin. Now look here. Here I am writing here thin. Now see the last letter. The last letter is consonant. Last letter क्या है आपका? It's a consonant and it is preceded by a vowel. इससे पहले क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पे? Vowel. So in this case, what we will do? We will double the last letter. इस केस में हम last वाले letter को double कर देंगे. Double n. Then we will add er. Thin, thinner. Now again here double it. thi double n. What I'm going to add? est. I'm going to add est. thin, thinner, thinnest. Yes. Now last letter, what is the last letter here? Y, and the letter preceded by Y, Y से पहले का जो letter है, what is that? That is the consonant. So we will replace Y with I. अब हम यहाँ पे Y को replace कर देंगे I से. In place of Y, I have written here I. Now what I'm going to add? ER, heavy, heavier. Next, again replace it. V, Y. No, we will not write here Y. Y we are going to replace with I. इसको replace कर देंगे I से, and I'm going to add here EST. So now it is heavy, heavier, heaviest. Now look at the next one. It is quite. Now here also, the first rule, rule number 1, we are going to use here. Quite, quieter, ER, quieter. Next, quietest. Nice, nicer. पहले से E लगा हुआ है लास्ट में, so I will use here the second one, that is R. Nice, nicer, again N-I-C-E. E is written here, so simply I'm going to add here as T. Nice, nicer, nicest. Everyone, show me your thumb if it is clear, students. Students of my class, if it is clear, show me your thumb. Thank you very much. If you want to take a screenshot, because it is your exercise and you have to complete it. You have to do it in your book. अगर आपको book है आपके पास, book में complete करना है, then you can take a screenshot. I'm going to erase. So hurry up, please. Yes. Everyone, come on. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now, let us see the next question. Some more questions are there. Let us see the remaining questions of this exercise. Now, let us look on to the remaining questions. जो बचे हुए questions है उस पे ध्यान देते हैं. Now, let us see the remaining questions. Okay, fine. Let us see the remaining questions, students, here. Let me write down the questions here. Intelligent. It is written here, intelligent. The first one, the remaining question here, positive degree, intelligent, good, difficult, difficult, little, bold. Okay, these are the remaining questions which we have to complete now. Now look here at the syllable. This word is made up of how many syllables? It is more than 2. ये 2 से अधिक है. Intelligent. 4 syllables. It is made up of 4 syllables. Then what we are going to use here? We are going to use here in comparative degree more, and in superlative degree we are going to use here most. Now write down the positive degree here. More intelligent. More intelligent. Now I have converted. Now we have converted it into a comparative degree. Now let us convert it into a superlative degree. It will be here most intelligent. Most intelligent. Fine, students. Done? Clear? Everybody? Yes. Anushka, you have a doubt. Okay, fine. Clear? Anushka, doubt? Clear? Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, fine. Now look here. Good. This is the last rule. Rule number 6. Here, we are going to use rule number 6. I have written or I have taught you that some of the adjectives, they have irregular comparisons of degree. We have to learn it. मैंने कहा था irregular होते हैं, उन्हें हमें learn करना होगा, याद करना होता है, उसमें कोई rule काम नहीं करता है. So good, good, better. Comparative degree will be better, and here it will be best. Good, better, best. I hope it is clear. उम्मीद करता हूं बच्चों आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. Yes. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Yes. Now let us see difficult. It is made up of 3 syllables again. Difficult, difficult, difficult. It is made up of how many syllables? It is made up of 3 syllables. So हम क्या use करेंगे? Yes, here more and most. Yes, more and most. If it is more than 2 or 3 syllables, then definitely हम more or most use करेंगे. Now look here, difficult, more difficult. Now we have changed. After using more here, it has been changed to comparative degree. Now let us change it to a superlative degree. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Most difficult. Fine. Now let us move on to the next one. Little. Again here, in this word, this adjective, we will use the last rule, that is rule number 6, and it is irregular comparisons of degree. Yes. Now what will be? Little, less, list. Little, less, list. Yes. देर इज नो रूल हाउ इट हैज बीन चेंज, वी हैव टू लर्न इट. यहाँ पे कोई ये रूल कोई नहीं है कि ये सर लिटिल से लेस कैसे हुआ और लिस्ट कैसे हुआ, इसका कोई रूल नहीं है. यू हैव टू लर्न इट बाय हार्ट. आपको इसे याद करना होगा बच्चों. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? ये लास्ट के जो 10 वर्ड है वो आपको याद करने होंगे, बाकी तो आई हैव टॉट यू, द रिमेनिंग आई हैव टॉट यू हाउ टू चेंज. यस, ओके फाइन. नाउ लेट्स सी द लास्ट वन. बोल्ड. फर्स्ट रूल, रूल नंबर 1, बोल्ड, bolder. Yes. Next, boldest. Clear everybody? This is exercise number A. We have completed exercise number A. Now if anybody is having a doubt, you can raise your hand. No one. If it is clear, show me your thumb. अगर clear है तो आप अपना thumb दिखाओ ताकि हम आगे बढ़े. अगर doubt है then show me your, raise your hand. If you have a doubt, you can raise your hand. If it is clear, show me your thumb. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, class. Now let us move on to exercise number B. Okay, class. Now let us see what are the instruction or what is the instruction given in exercise number B. Exercise number B में वो कौन सा instruction दिया हुआ है, हमें करना क्या है. Now let me write down the instruction here. Students, look here. In exercise number B, yes, B, look here. What it is written? It's written that fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with correct forms of adjectives. Correct forms of adjectives. Okay, class. Look here. This is the instruction given here, that we have to fill up the correct form of what? Adjective in the blanks. Means hint is given there. Let us see. Now, let me write down the question first. Let me complete the question. Question number 1. Diamond is the dash of all natural substances. And the options given here, it is given here hard. We have to use here hard, but कौन सी डिग्री में यूज करना है ये हमें ध्यान देना है. Okay, now let us see question number 2. It is I think swans are dash than ducks. And the option given here, it's given here pretty. Now let us move on to the third question, that is poachers means hunter. Poachers का मतलब होता है hunter. Poachers are dash to animals. Dash to animals. Here it's written here cruel. Now let us see question number 4. Can you name Can you name the dash city of the world? City in the world. In the world. Option here it is written rich. Number 5. My knife is dash than yours. And option here, it's the adjective given here, it's sharp. Now look at number 6. Prevention. Prevention is dash than cure. And the adjective given here, it's good. Now let us see next, number 7. This was the dash questions of all. And what is the options given here? It's given here difficult. Now students, now look here, look carefully, look at the exercises. This is exercise number B, and there are 7 questions in this exercise. The options are given there. Options are also given here on my left hand side. You can say on my right hand side here. This is my right hand. I'm writing with my right hand. And here you can see the options are given here in bracket. It is given here in bracket. So let me circle it. These are the options that we have to fill up. यही options है जिसे मैं circle कर रहा हूँ. ये वो सारे options है जिसे हमें fill करना है. But with the correct forms of degree. इनका कंपैरिजन जो फॉर्म्स होगा वो हमें सही करके फिलअप करना है. ओके, रेडी एवरीबॉडी? नाउ लेट अस सी. स्टार्ट. ओके फाइन, थैंक यू. डायमंड इज द डैश ऑफ ऑल द नेचुरल सब्सटेंसेस. डायमंड इज द हार्ट ऑफ ऑल द नेचुरल सब्सटेंसेस. नाउ कंपेयर किससे कर रहे हैं? सारे नेचुरल सब्सटेंस से. तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे? अब बताओ, अगर आप एक उंगली दिखाते हो, इफ यू शो मी 1 फिंगर मींस पॉजिटिव डिग्री, तो ये है ही पॉजिटिव. अगर सेकंड फिंगर, 2 फिंगर दिखाते हो, तो वो आप किसको इंडिकेट करोगे? कंपैरेटिव को. एंड द थर्ड फिंगर इफ यू शो मी, देन यू आर गोइंग टू इंडिकेट मी सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. अब बताओ इसमें कौन सा डिग्री यूज होगा? मैं कंपेयर कर रहा हूं एक वस्तु को सारे वस्तु से. कंपैरेटिव होगा, पॉजिटिव होगा, कंपैरेटिव या सुपरलेटिव? शो मी योर फिंगर प्रॉपर्ली. थर्ड वन, वेरी गुड. थर्ड मीन्स द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज करेंगे हम यहाँ पे, बिकॉज वी आर कंपेयरिंग डायमंड विथ मेनी अदर नेचुरल सब्सटेंसेस. पत्थर से या सोने से या हीरे से, मतलब बाकी सबसे हम इसको कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. 2 चीज से ज्यादा है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हियर व्हाट? सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सो आई कैन से हियर दैट डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट. Diamond is the hardest of all the natural substances. Now look here. I think swans are dash than ducks. The option, the positive degree, the adjective given here is pretty. Now which degree shall I use here? Positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree? Here the comparison is between swan and किसके साथ कंपेयर हो रहा है? swan and duck. 2 लोगों के बीच हो रहा है. Then which degree I am going to use here? First, second or third? Second. Very good. I am going to use the second, that is the comparative degree. So pretty. Now change it to comparative degree, PRTT. Y को replace कर देंगे. We are going to replace Y with I, and I am going to add here ER. Now I think swans are prettier than ducks. I think swans are prettier than ducks. Yes? Yes? Got it? Fine. Thank you. Now, poachers means hunter. Poachers means hunter. Poachers are dash to animals. Means this is also here. We are also comparing what? We are comparing between 2 things, animals and poachers. 2 लोगों के बीच comparisons हो रहा है. So, which degree shall I use here? First, second, or third? Second. Yes. So here, cruel. I'm going to use here more. MORE. More cruel. Or students, वन मोर थिंग, एक और चीज है, आप ये भी यूज कर सकते हो, CRUELLER. मोर क्रूएल और क्रूलर. मोर cruel और plural. Both you can use, दोनों use कर सकते हैं. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now let us move on to next. Can you name the dash city in the world? वर्ल्ड यानी शहर, कितने शहर हैं दुनिया में? बहुत सारे शहर हैं. इन सब शहरों में से सबसे अमीर शहर कौन सा है? तो क्या लिखेंगे हम? फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव डिग्री, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. थर्ड, वेरी गुड, बिकॉज वी आर कंपेयरिंग one city, the richest city, with the other all cities of the world. So I'm going to use here the superlative degree. Yes, richest. Yes, can you name the richest city in the world? Okay, fine. Now look at question number 5. My knife is dash than yours. मेरी नाइफ जो है आपसे ज्यादा क्या है? शार्प है. तो which degree I am going to use here? First, second or third? Show me your finger. Second. Very good. Comparative. Because अगर हम तुलना दो लोगों के बीच करते हैं तो कंपैरेटिव यूज करते हैं. अगर दो से ज्यादा हो गए, if it is more than 2 or 3, 4, 5, then we will use the third one, that is the superlative degree. Very good. Yes. So sharp, sharper. Sharp, sharper. Now look here. Prevention is dash than cure. Prevention is dash than cure. It's a very good proverb, and I hope you know everyone knows this. Everyone know this, that what I have. Yes. Second one. What will be the comparative of good? It will be better. So prevention is better than cure. Now look at the last question. Look at the last question, students. It's written that this was the dash question of all. Difficult. Just now we have done in question number A, exercise number A, we have done difficult. And all the questions, all questions, सारे questions, exam में सारे question यानी 4-5 question तो होंगे. Yes, definitely there will be. तो सबसे compare करके हमने एक बताया कि ये सबसे hard था. Yes, so we are going to use here third one. We are going to use here third one, that is the most. This was the most difficult questions of all. Okay, students, now we have the last exercise. Last one more exercise we have. So it's written in the instruction given. What is the instruction given in exercise number 3? It's given that rewrite the sentences after correcting the errors in the degrees of comparisons. Okay, fine. Students, I hope you want to take a screenshot of the board. Please take the screenshot. Take a screenshot of the board, please. Yes, each and every one. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया होगा. ये एक्सरसाइज आपको मैंने सेंड किया है. घर पे बैठ के एक बार आप प्रैक्टिस करिए. ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस दिस एंड ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट. ओके, ईच एंड एवरीवन. थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट्स. एंड द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज वी विल डू इट टुमारो. हम कल करेंगे द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज. ओके, फॉर टुडे 2 exercise is sufficient. Please read the exercises, complete the definition, write down in your fair copy. Students, from 1st December onwards, I hope I can call you. मैं 1-2 बच्चों को बुला सकता हूं ताकि मैं उनकी कॉपी चेक कर सकूं. ओके, फाइन. यस, तो कॉपी कंप्लीट करके रखिएगा प्लीज. एंड डोंट मिस द क्लास स्टूडेंट्स. डोंट मिस द क्लास. ईच एंड एवरीवन try to join the class. Thank you very much. Now it's your turn. If you have a question, you can ask me. Thank you.